All right, let's look at this one. It's the integral of x squared cosine of 10x dx. One thing you should realize is integration by parts is not the first thing you should look for because it's complicated. So make sure there's no other way to do this. And I don't think there is. But if it were integral of x cosine 10x squared, now if you think about it, you could let u be 10x squared and du is 2x dx, and we got it. It's as easy as integrating a cosine of u. But unfortunately, that's not what this is. So we are going to use parts. We're going to let u be x squared because that's going to simplify with the derivative. That leaves dv to be cosine of 10x dx. So du is 2x dx, and v would be the integral of cosine, which is positive sine, but it's 10x, so we need a 1/10 as a constant. And now we just write our integration by parts formula. It's uv, so u, let's simplify as we go on, v. Oops, I made a little mistake here. Dx should not be there. My mistake. So where was I? uv minus the integral of v. I keep the 1/10 out there times du to x. Now the x you can't factor out because it's a variable, dx. So we have a small problem here because we have to be able to integrate the v/du part, and we can't. Oh, wait, yes, we can. We use parts. So I'm going to do the same thing, but now u is x, dv is sine x. No, it's not. It's sine 10x. There's another mistake. It's a horrible mistake. I did it up here. So du is dx, and v is integral sign is negative cosine, so negative 1/10 cosine of 10x. So now we just play the parts game again. This integral, now it's uv minus the integral of v du. We have this negative 1/5 out in front. It will apply to both terms. So uv, negative 1/10 x cosine 10x minus the integral of v du. So v is negative 1/10, so positive 1/10 sine 10x. Du is dx, so that's nice. Now we're going to integrate. So our final answer, well, not final answer, our final unsimplified answer will be this. The integral of cosine of 10x is positive 1/10 sine of 10x. There's our unsimplified answer, plus c. I'm going to just multiply this negative 1/5 through. So it's positive 1/50. And this is not simplifying really, this is just distributing. I want to keep it in this form because I want to show you something, another way of doing this, which is convenient, especially if you have to do parts a couple. So we're going to save this one for later. And I screwed up again, as you can see. This should be 10x. I always tell you that angle never, ever, ever changes, and I'm not listening to my advice. But this should be okay, this answer, I hope. And we're going to do it one more time tomorrow and in a different way, and then compare these. Adjustment here. Okay, and that's that. Next example I want you to watch because it's going to be a little bit different. We're just going to integrate natural log of x. We've never learned to do that, and it doesn't seem to be a product, but it really kind of is. You'll see, and parts will allow us to do that. So watch that next video.